I'm blessed. Yes, I'm blessed. Yes, ask me how I'm doing.
Hi guys, so today we are going to be making a spicy garlic shrimp. We are going to start off with 2 teaspoons of butter, followed by 2 teaspoons of garlic. So once the butter has melted and the garlic is mixed on in, we are going to add our onions, followed by our red bell peppers. Once those get a little soft, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic chili sauce, followed by 1/3 cups of sriracha. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix that all in. Let's go ahead and add the shrimp to the sauce. I personally like to leave the skin on. I believe it adds more flavor. Now it's time to season, guys. So you're gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, seasonal, parsley, followed by some red pepper flakes. Once your shrimp has turned pink on one side, you're gonna go ahead and flip those over so you can have an even cook on both sides. Since I'm using a cast iron skillet, I only have to have my temperature on medium high and cook my shrimp for 5 minutes. And since I wanted this shrimp to be very spicy, I added two little dabs of cayenne pepper followed by black pepper. I really wanted it to be very spicy, so just make sure you know your tolerance level because this dish will burn your mouth. Now that the shrimp is done, we're gonna go ahead and move over to our side. So tonight we're gonna be making broccoli. Add some onion powder, garlic powder, no salt seasoning, seasonal, a teaspoon of butter, a 1/2 cup of water, followed by a light sprinkle of packet of seasoning. Just mix it on up and add the lid. Let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium high. And there you go, guys. This is my dinner for tonight. You guys enjoy, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, as well as hit that bell below so you'll get all notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
God is out.